self-explanatory as well. Very clear. NZD, USD, very clear. USDs are very clear. So I want another pair, which is not so clear. GBP odd. All right, GBP odd. So we want to do one last GBP odd. Right, I don't have it here. Let me edit GBP odd. There we go. GBP odd. Right. Okay, GBP odd. Right. Anyone to talk about this one, or Dumiso can go ahead if he wants to talk about it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Coach.
Hi, how are you?
Nah, good. Can you go on a daily time frame?
Daily time frame. There we go.
Okay. From my own understanding, here we've only dropped like one level, and we're now in consolidation. We're about to go to the second level, or am I wrong?
Or as in from the D1, we are supposed to do something like this. That's what you mean, right?
Yeah, like yes. That's what I mean. If we go down to the, you see that whole drop from that area there that you just marked. If we go down on a 4-hour, or is it hourly time frame, you realize that we've moved down 3 levels, and I believe that this whole pullback is going to be probably a reset before the market continues going down.
Okay, so probably what the dealer wants to do is this, and then continue down.
Continue going down, yes.
Okay. Do we agree, guys? Do we agree on this? Anyone with a different opinion, or we are agreeing? Please let me know if we're agreeing. If you have a different opinion, please let me know as well. Excuse me. Tafson is saying he agrees. Who else? Sasha is saying they agree. So if that's the case, Takutsu is saying they agree. If that's the case, so I also agree. All right. Someone is asking for H4. So here's how H4 looks like. So what the dealer is trying to do, he is simple reversing to that area there. He's simple reversing to that area there. For those who did ICT, I know a little bit of these things, even if I'm not so much well-versed. Maybe, just maybe, I can assume that this is an order block. And just assume that this is an order block. And this is where my price interacted. And that is exactly where I'm expecting price to get to before it goes down. I know I'm not that perfect on these these ICT and stuff.
Yeah, Coach, can you please go back to the last slide you had? So
which one? H4.
Yeah, the one that you had now. Yeah.
Okay, I'm now at H4.
Oh no, there's another one where there was can go. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So that's a red candle. That's big, bold, big candle there. That is there. Right? Can you see it on your left side? Just
Oh,
above
you
the box.
mean this one?
Correct, correct. So in
This
the
one.
ICT world, yeah, we call that an imbalance. So price is not going to
Okay.
target that box. It's going to target that imbalance there to rebalance the books. So in that rebalance, that's where it's likely to form a continuation to the
So
downside.
price is going to target what? This one.
That's red. That big candle there, because we see the we call it fair value gap.
Oh,
Because the fair value gap, it's because we can see that
okay.
green candle, that small candle on
This
top
one.
there, didn't touch the third one, correct? So
Mm.
it's gonna rebalance in between there, in between that big candle. So
Ah,
that box, that consolidation there is an inducement for people to consider it as an order block.
okay.
It is not an
Okay.
order block. An order block that is
Okay.
below an
Okay.
imbalance,
Okay.
it is an inducement from the ICT. So they will literally go
Okay.
into that.
No, that makes
It's
sense.
almost the same thing that happened with NZD USD today. So you can see that most of the formations are always forming in that huge imbalance.
Oh, okay. So it means we expect our price to play around this area.
Correct, correct, right up there.
Somewhere there.
After that consolidation. That consolidation is actually in
okay. No, that's yeah. Makes sense. So that's so definitely according to BTMM, we are talking about the 200 EMA, right?
Correct.
So
Yes,
from the
absolutely.
ICT, the imbalance that you mean, but still we need to come to that area there. So what we are saying is we cannot enter this pair as long as it is where it is now. It's not safe.
So yeah.
So what's going to happen is the dealer is.
Yeah, what they normally do, you see that consolidation, you see the price has just touched that area. Many people will enter that trade right at, we know where it's written 3-day. You see where it's written,
they will take
that
a sell
consolidation.
there, yes.
So in the consolidation, you highlighted there. So where it's written number 3-day. So people will see that and say, and enter there. So what price is going to do now is going to come and take those people out and go into that imbalance, and then I'll break to the downside.
People out
these people are
here.
Yeah.
Then break to the downside. Yeah.
Correct. Because you can see your EMA's level
makes sense,
moves to the upside. So it's telling you that momentum has changed to the upside. So now they want to pick people who have entered the trade day earlier. So the people who've entered in that consolidation, so they're going to be taken out. And after that, that's when they will break the market to the downside and then continue now to the downside.
Yeah.
So I used to take most of my trades like this, and I
sense.
realized most of the time they will come and take me out and then continue downside. So that's
it makes sense.
It's actually an inducement for people to enter their trade. And once they enter their trade, then they come and take them out and then continue to the downside.
No, it makes sense. It makes sense. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's understandable. So we're expecting a sale, but not now. The sale is not going to come now. Probably maybe if all goes well, it's going to be ripe around Wednesday or Thursday. I always love to give myself a little bit of some days so that I do not assume or rather rush the pair. So I'd rather wait for a bit of some time until the pair matures to the level where we want it to be. All right. Naidu wants to say something.
Can you please zoom out a little bit? This chart that you are on.
The same pair.
Yes.
The same chart, okay. Right.
Zoom out, I mean out. Yeah, like this. So what I want to ask is, when you look at last week, Thursday, there was a sharp move to the downside in the price market. Yeah, mark the lowest point of
here,
candle.
there.
Yes, and go to the right side.
Okay. This one.
Yes, yeah, you can drag it to last week and then go up. Yeah, I want to ask something about this. So according to H1, since it's zoomed out, can we say that is level 1, and then now the market is currently busy with level 2, so it's going to give us a reset, then goes to level 3. Is it fine if I say that?
Okay. I get your point. All right. Before I answer, who wants to answer this? Who wants to answer? It's especially with the issue of levels. I think actually I realized this when I was looking at it, and when you were saying I should draw. Who wants to answer this? Okay, you can go ahead.
With my knowledge, here is broken. Hello, coach.
I can hear you.
That place has been broken by this place. So here is level 1. This place is level 2.
Okay.
Then the pair now drop down to level 3. So basically, if I'm going to take this trade, I consider it as a reset for you to go to the downside further.
So I think now the question is, what about this right here? I think that's where the question is now. What about this? If we say this is level 1, this is level 2, how about what was happening here?
So we may just consider that
Yes.
the dealers decided to confuse the trader by extending the level 3.
Okay, and extended the level. Okay. Who has a different opinion?
I think I see.
Anyone with a different opinion? Two people with their hands raised. Good eye. What do you think?
Okay.
Followed by Sasha.
This was quite tricky, but if we have to look at it, we could say this is an information. Do you see it?
No, now I can't see where you are annotating.
Okay, we could say, let me just try. I'm trying to draw, but I can't seem to. Okay, on Wednesday last week.
It's not drawing.
Yeah, it's not drawing. Okay, on
right. Wednesday we are talking about this.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah,
right.
exactly. So we pushed one of the first we pushed one level here until the end of the day on Wednesday.
Okay. So it means we are in level 1 here.
Exactly, and then in level Thursday it was level 2. Yeah, we dropped level 2.
All right. So we dropped level 2. Then what happened?
Exactly, and then we retested level 2 there. We retested level 2 on Friday.
Right.
Friday, and then Monday we dropped. So we could easily say, since we dropped on Monday and then it broke the low of Thursday, we could say that level 3.
All right. So our level 2, our level 3 is this one.
Exactly.
All right. So it means our
And-
level 1 is this one. Is this one from what you're saying?
Yeah.
Level 1, level 2,
And then
level
level
3.
there.
So
And
this
on
becomes a reset.
exactly.
Then
And then
level
push
1.
exactly level 2 again, and then level 3. That's what I think.
Level 2, level 3. Okay. Okay. All right. Sasha, what do you think? Okay.
That's the same thing I was going to say. Exactly.
Oh, all right. Let me see who else wants to say something. Son, what do you think?
Okay, it's the same thing, but a different view.
Okay, same thing with a different view.
Yeah, let me just take you to the other point, what I was saying. Okay, here on that Wednesday,
Okay, it's fine.
on Wednesday, we had a peak formation high there.
Mm,
Then on Thursday,
mm.
if you remember what happened in your previous lectures, then you said if the dealer moves down or up, they returns it to that certain points, which is the dealer didn't move. I quote you well. Back then when we had some lectures. So that means on Friday and Monday, you can see the Asian boxes with the same level. So I can consider Thursday, Friday in Monday on the Asian boxes is level 1. Then on Tuesday, Wednesday, and partly Thursday when it's broken, I can consider it level 2.
Okay.
Then
This whole part.
yes, so but those
This
3
whole
days.
part.
Then on
All right.
Friday and Monday, we can consider as those ugly W's with the maybe first leg shorter than the second leg is a bit longer, but it's just not clear. That's the other
Or
view.
something like this.
Yes.
Okay. I get your point. One last person, Zilo, you wanted to say something?
Okay. What I'm seeing is from Wednesday last week, I think that was our level 2, and our level 3 gave pushed the downside, in my opinion.
Sorry. Wednesday last week, you mean Wednesday last week, you mean this one?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, exactly.
It's our
So-
what? Our level 3.
Yeah, so our level 3, we had 3 pushed the downside into level 3. I think it happens sometimes level 3 where they give these aggressive moves.
All right. No, you know what? Someone who has raised their hand. Okay. Naidu, what do you think?
It's one last thing. One thing that I say. Remember on H1, 3 levels on H1 is 1 level on H4. So
Okay.
this thing is now at the moment. It means this price is currently working out or level 2 reset, and then it's gonna go down to level 3, and then it's gonna give us 3 levels down, and then that's a complete cycle with level 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that's what I'm saying according to what people explain here.
Okay. Right. So he brought the part that I wanted to use. He brought the part that I wanted to use to say if we are working level 2 there, then definitely it means this is our level 1. So if this is our level 1, then whatever was happening here was part of our peak formation. So we expect to see a downward move to level 3. So after having said that, then it means, I will say this, and please listen carefully. Those who marked levels saying this is level 1, this is level 2, and this was an extension of a level and it went to level 3, because this extension of a level is actually shown by a first leg there. If you look at this W, you think it's actually somewhat of an ugly W, but it's not ugly. Open your TDI, check where your shark fin is. Look, let me try and put it. Check where your first leg is. That actually shows your first leg. This actually shows your second leg. So can you see that the dealer is clever?